Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your needs. Today, we're diving into the Amazon Basics 21 inches Hardside carry-on luggage, and let me tell you, this might just be the best 21-inch luggage you'll ever own. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning a short getaway, this suitcase promises to be your perfect travel companion. Let's start with the build. This hardshell suitcase is crafted from a durable ABS material, ensuring that it can withstand the bumps and bruises of travel. The scratch-resistant surface means it will stay looking sharp no matter how rough things get. Whether it's the conveyor belt at the airport or being tossed around in the trunk, this luggage holds up like a pro. Now, mobility is key when you're on the move, and the Amazon Basics 21 inches luggage doesn't disappoint. With 4 multi-directional wheels, navigating through crowded terminals is a breeze. The smooth rolling wheels ensure that you won't be fighting to move your bag around, even in the busiest spots. And the telescoping handle is just the right height, making it easy to push or pull without straining. But what's a great suitcase if it doesn't offer enough packing space? Well, this carry-on is expandable, adding up to 25% more space when you need it most. That means you can pack more, without worrying about your luggage bursting at the seams. Inside, it's just as organized with an interior divider and multiple zippered pockets to keep your essentials neatly separated. From clothes to gadgets, everything has its place. For those who travel light for a few days, this 21-inch luggage is perfect. Its compact size is ideal for 1 to 5 day trips, meaning you don't need to deal with the hassle of checking in luggage. It fits perfectly in overhead compartments, so you can keep it by your side for quick and easy access. Amazon Basics really thought of everything with this luggage. With its durability, design, and added features, it's clear why it's a top choice for travelers. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a quick vacation, the Amazon Basics 21 inches Hardside carry-on luggage is the kind of companion you can count on. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of your favorite products. Safe travels!